Hello children, today we will learn about equivalent fractions, like and unlike fractions. Let us start with equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. It is also known as renaming of a fraction. How? Let us see. Look at this diagram. There are two parts. Half, that is one part here, and the other part here. So this part we will tell it is a half, and the full part will be 2 by 2, that is two parts as the numerator and the whole to denominator, that is a whole one. Now moving on to this diagram, look at this. If we divide, suppose this part, if we consider till this part, means this whole part. How many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now out of 4 parts, one part is shaded. So it represents 1 by 4. Now if I ask you a question, how many 1 by 4 or 1/4 will make half? How will you understand? Just see. Till half, how many parts of 1/4 are there? 1 and 2. Till half. Till half. So there are 2 parts. So I can say that 2 parts of 1/4 make half. So the value of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. How 2 by 4 is coming? 1 by 4. When we are saying 2 parts of 1 by 4 makes half, that means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It results in 2 by 4. 1 plus 1 makes 2. So 2 by 4. And 2 by 4 equals to half. That is 1/4 plus 1/4 makes half. Half of the diagram. Hope this concept is clear. So since the value of half and the value of 2 by 4 is the same, so it is getting renamed. That means half is equal to 2 by 4. It carries the same value. So it is getting renamed. Half, the value of half equals to 2 by 4. So the value remains the same, and these type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Now moving on to like and unlike fractions. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Now look at these fractional figures. 9, 9, 9 and 9. That means they are having the same denominators. Only the numerator part is changing. 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. So these type of fractions with the same denominators will be termed as like fractions. And unlike fractions, fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. The numerators are same, but the denominators are changing. 7, 8, 6, 3, 4. It doesn't mean that they will have the same numerator. Suppose it is 2 by 7, then it can be 2 by 8, or it can be 4 by 6, but the denominators are changing. So these type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Now the fraction with numerator 1. So the fractions having the numerator as 1 is called unit fraction. That means 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 12. In all the cases, the numerators are 1. Denominators change, but the numerator is remaining the same. In this type of fractional numbers, the numerator will be kept as 1, and these type of fractions are known as unit fraction. So we have learnt about equivalent fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, and I have added unit fraction as well. So the concept is clear, I think. I will come up with addition and subtraction of fractions in my next video. Wait till that. Okay, thank you children.